Today topic of discussion is laboratory balance. A balance is a device which are used for weighing different things. Usually they have two main types. First one is called mechanical balance and the second one is called electrical or electronical balance. This mechanical balance having three major types: spring balance, trip balance and analytical balance. Electrical and electronical balance, further it have two major types: hanging pan types and top loading type. First we will discuss about mechanical balance. This one not required any electricity or battery power. This one not required. Mechanical balance not required electricity or battery power. It is less expensive and comparing to electrical and electronical balance. Depending on the number of pan, reading mechanism and precision, it have different types based on the number of pans, reading mechanism and precisions. It have different types. We will discuss one by one. Mechanical balance, first one, spring balance. It is a single pan balance used to weigh heavier things. The pan is attached with a spring. Okay, it will attached with a spring and stretches is when weight is put into it. The weight is indicated on the scale. The weight is indicated on the scale by a pointer attached to the spring. Here we can see that image, the scale which is used to reading when we hang any weight or object and the measurement is not that much accurate. This one only one disadvantage. This measurement is not that much accurate. Trip balance is another type of balance which have two pan of equal in size and suspended with a beam, and this pan are supported by a sharp fulcrum in the center of both pan. Object is placed on the right pan and weight are placed in the left pan. Beam's position is aligned. If there is any difference in both pan or any difference of weight or current reading is not get received, then the rider is presented on the beam. So the riders gives us current reading by adjusting them according to the weight of that object. It have two disadvantage. One is that result is not accurate. So the result, that reading is not precise. Then one more issue, for weighing of heavy things. Okay, it have some problems. So we can use it for weighing small size of object only. This one is the trip balance. So this one is the sharp fulcrum, then beam is presented here, rider. What is the role? It will give that correct reading. Mechanical balance have another type which is called as analytic balance. It may have single pan or double pan. The double pan analytical balance is also called as physical balance. It operates same just like a trip balance. The beam have a side screw for fine adjustment to zero weight and a pointer in the center which move on the scale. So what are the important part? Here this one is the beam, then this one is the pointer, this one is the left fan, right fan, then wooden base. Here this physical balance having weight box, separate box is there, then balancing screw. This one is the center beam, this one is the center beam. And comparing with the trip balance, this physical balance will give accurate result. Another type of analytic balance, we have single pan balance. They have a beam of unequal arm. One arm is support with a pan to place the article for weighing, and it's balanced by a single weight located at the opposite end of the beam. It is one of the most precise mechanical balance in the laboratory. It will give accurate result. Second, electrical and electronical balance. Most single fan balance that use an electromagnetic force instead of weight, and they are operated from electricity and they connected battery power. The pan is attached to a coil which is placed in a magnetic field generated by electric current. As we put more weight is placed on the pan, more current is required to produce a magnetic field. This increase in current flow is covered by a microprocessor into a numerical value for weight, which is displayed on the panel. There are two types of electrical and electronical balance. First one is hanging pan type. Second one is top loading type. Hanging pan type, there are usually produced in a glass gas for weighing very small amount. Here very small amount only we can measure. This one is used for weighing larger quantities or heavier object. Then next one is how electrical and electronical balance will operate. First, place any paper or plastic weighing board in the center of the pan. Then perform daring by pressing the door button on the panel. Then this will make it 0. This will calibrate our panel, then place the substance to be weighed on the weighing board with the help of scoop or spatula. The amount should be roughly slightly more than the required weight. And when we have a required weight or more than the required weight, then the extra volume or extra mass are gradually reduced the substance with a spatula until the desired weight is indicated on the display panel. Last one, how to calibrate. A balance need to be periodically checked for accuracy. This calibration done by weighing 100 gram or appropriate standard weight. This is how balance is calibrated. The variation allowed should be less than 0.5 percentage. If it is more than 0.5 percentage, then the balance should be adjusted accordingly. This is all about laboratory balance. Notes format. Thanks for watching.